No, you can get pressure in a straight line wind.
Because
Low pressure. So
And there's a shingle.
You see any kind of pattern with these trees, the way they fell?
nothing yet.